Most people are walking past these 3 deals at Kroger. These deals are so easy and I'll show you how to do them. This first one you might have already seen in your app. It's on a free slice of cake this week and it's any flavor. My store had chocolate, cinnamon roll, red velvet, carrot cake, and a few others. To get this deal, all you have to do is clip the digital coupon for the free cake. And if you want to save it for later, just go ahead and freeze it. The next deal is on these Hellmann's flavored mayos. These are the 2 that I grabbed, the garlic aioli and this Japanese inspired mayo. They are currently buy one, get one free. Check your digital coupons for $2 off of 1. After you purchase 2, submit your receipt over to Fetch Rewards for 1,000 points back on each. So basically $1 each. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, you can use this code at sign up and you'll get an extra $2 right now. And this last deal I think is personally a really good deal. It's on the Nature's Path organic cereals. They're half off right now from $4.99 to $2.49 with the weekly digital coupon. And it goes for these kids cereals too. Clip the digital coupon, making them $2.49 each. You can get up to 5 in this transaction. For organic cereal, that's a really good price. Usually $2.50 is the most I will ever pay for this. So if that's you too, stock up now. I hope you're able to grab all of these deals, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.